Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Start. Click the Windows key now. Once visible, scan the pinned area for the app tile you want removed or type its name into search to highlight it quickly. Right-click the tile to expose the context menu. This is where removal controls live. Make sure you're signed into an account with standard privileges. Otherwise, some options may be grayed out. If the app is a folder or group, open the group to access individual tiles before proceeding. Once the context menu appears, choose Unpin from Start to remove the tile instantly. That's the simplest path. If you need more control, pick More Than App Settings to check uninstall options or to reset data. For group tiles, click the group, then unpin each tile inside. Groups don't auto-collapse. If Unpin is missing, the app might be system protected. Make sure to use Settings Apps Installed Apps to uninstall or modify permissions where necessary, and proceed. After removal, verify Start's layout reflects the change. Drag remaining tiles to tidy the space, and make sure the app no longer appears on the pinned list. If you want different behavior later, go to Settings, Personalization, start to enable or disable showing recently added apps or most used items. If Unpin failed or the option is missing, reboot and try again. Or open Settings, Apps Installed Apps to uninstall. This usually resolves protected or stubborn items. Keep a restore point if you're unsure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.